At first, this problem may look very easy. You might start by multiplying 1 over 2 by 8. Since 8 divided by 2 equals 4, it seems that only 4 remains. Then we continue and calculate 8 divided by 4, which gives us 2. So we may quickly think that the final answer is 2. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because we ignored one of the most important rules in mathematics, the order of operations. In mathematics, we cannot solve expressions in any order we like. Every expression must follow a fixed sequence called the order of operations. This rule is commonly remembered using the acronym PEMDAS. Let's briefly review what each letter means. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we always solve first, parentheses, second, exponents, third, multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. There is something very important to remember here. Multiplication and division have equal priority. That means we do not automatically multiply first. Instead, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. The same left to right rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's go back and solve the original problem correctly. The expression is, here we have both division and multiplication. Since they share the same priority, we work from left to right. Moving from left to right, the first operation we meet is division. So we calculate 8 divided by 1/2. To divide by a fraction, we use the KCF rule. K means keep the first number. C means change division into multiplication. F means flip the second fraction. So we keep 8, change division into multiplication, and flip 1/2 into 2. Now we calculate 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Next, we multiply 16 by 8. 16 times 8 equals 128. So the correct final answer is 128. This example shows why following the order of operations is so important. A small mistake in the order can completely change the result. Thanks for watching. If this explanation helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple math lessons. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I'll be happy to reply. See you in the next video.